Hey everybody, what's going on? Hope you're having a great day and we're going to have some fun with Alexa reading my mind. Yes, this is pretty cool. My friend showed me this weekend. We actually stumped her once, but let's see if she can guess this person. And I thought it was only appropriate because this came out just recently. So let's have some fun. Let's see if it works. By the way, this is my first video with my new phone. I just got the Google Pixel 2 XL, so really excited to start using it. What a better way to use it than for this person and for this video. So let's have some fun. So I'm going to turn off the mic now. Alexa, read my mind.
Okay, here is the skill Akinator. Welcome back. I can read your mind. Think of a character. I will try to guess it. Are you ready?
Yes. Now there's things I may not know, so we'll see. Based on the questions.
Sorry, I did not catch that. I can read your mind. Think of a character. I will try to guess it. Are you ready?
Yes.
Is your character a male?
Yes.
Yes. Is your character real?
Yes.
Yes. Is your character a YouTuber?
Yes.
Yes. Is your character a gamer?
No.
No. There. Was your character born in Ohio?
I don't know.
You don't know. Does your character live with their brother?
No.
No. Does your character have any kids?
I don't know.
You don't know. Does your character have a bald head?
No.
No. Well. Does your character create music?
No.
No. Phew. Does your character have a beard?
No.
No. Is your character normally in a chair?
No.
No. Is your character associated with comedy?
No.
No. Is your character linked with sports?
Maybe.
Probably. Is your character famous for his muscles?
No.
No. Phew. Does your character use guns?
No.
No. Does your character live in California?
No.
No. Is your character associated with nature?
No.
No. Bam! Is your character a trick shotter?
No.
No. Does your character have something to do with wheels?
No.
No. Is your character from YouTube?
Yes.
Yes. Ouch. Is your character married?
Yes.
Yes. Does your character have a daughter?
I don't know.
You don't know. Does your character have something to sell?
Yes.
Yes. Bazinga. Is your character heavily muscled?
No.
No. Whee! Has your character published books?
Yes.
Ta-da! I guess that you are thinking of Gary Vaynerchuck.
Oh my good.
Right?
Yes. Gary, she picked you. How the heck? I never thought that she would get you. Wow, I'm shocked. Gary, Alexa guessed in my mind that it was you. Now that is cool, and I apologize. There are a couple questions that maybe I should know that I don't know, but I've just been following you more recently, so I apologize there. But wow, I can't believe she guessed Gary Vee. She crushed it. I love it. All right, everybody, go have some fun. Ask her if she can guess what's on your mind. All right, everybody, see you on the next video. Take care.
Ta-da!